if we can also talk about something, we can also talk about how the apartment looks. I will make an apartment tour after this talk. We are paying 2,150. No?
2,160.
2,160.
And it includes that you can use all the amenities for free. You have internet and TV cable for free, and that's it.
Yeah, so yeah, all in all, I think it's good. If we recommend it, yes. If you ask if it's worth the price,
Yeah, that's the good question. Price per value ratio. What's your take on this?
and I think it would be fun if we would give a score to our experience living here. We are actually in Cherrywood. It's South Dublin, and it's a very big complex. I think it has like 4 or 5 buildings now, and it belongs to Hali management team. There are plenty of possibilities here to choose one of the apartments, and they are in good condition. Everything is new. I think we moved here in February this year, 2024. We are living now not because something was wrong, but because we bought our own home. So we are now in a 1-bedroom apartment. This is where we had our rent. I will make a little tour. There are still stuff that we have to take. We have to return the apartment how we found it, like the furniture, the exact furniture, nothing more, nothing less. The cleaning is going to be done by them. You have the possibility to ask them to clean after you. So we didn't clean. They have to come, vacuum, dust off, and so on. And I will start actually. So as you see now, I'm in the living room and the kitchen, but I will go now into the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. The nice window there that you can open. You have a view towards the interior yard. You will have kids playing here, so just consider this if you are not happy to have kids around. Yeah, you have 2 nightstands, a big mirror. I think you have a pretty spacious wardrobe. We actually fit in it. It was fine for us. This is how it looks. So I really think that the bedroom has a very decent size. We even fit there a desk, and we had the monitors there because my husband was doing home office. We just pulled this bed there, and this is how we managed to have some space there with some natural light and so on. You have heaters everywhere. They are not smart, but they are actually efficient, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, here you had the living room. We had the living room. Very nice. They even give you two cute arts. It's actually behind that door, whatever. Yeah, you have a nice little couch here. It's not the most comfortable, but it was okay. You have a chair, an armchair. You have 2 coffee tables. We actually used one to hold our Monstera. Then you have here the bathroom, which what we love the most is the big shower. Actually, this was good. This was really, really good. Full of mirrors. The cabinets also have mirrors. And you have a very tall cabinet here. Yeah, a sink. It is heated, as you see. Spacious as well, so if you want to put something under the sink or a little shelf here and there, it works. Vent, no natural light, but you have the vent. Every room actually has a vent. Okay, so this is the kitchen. You have a dishwasher, the sink, the oven, stove, microwave, the fire blanket according to the regs. This one is a vent here, so you can cook. A nice, very big integrated fridge and some storage above with the freezer down here. Initially we thought that the kitchen might be small for us. It's obviously just the two of us, it's a one bedroom, so in the end we fit because the storage goes up till the ceiling. We cook a lot, so we needed a functional kitchen, and this was it. It's very functional. Probably, and as I've seen in the photos, the ones which have more bedrooms have bigger kitchens, obviously. So if you plan to go for a bigger kitchen, then you should go for that. So as I said, it was plenty of space for the both of us. You have here, you have there above the microwave, you have all of these three. So for us it was more than enough. What was nice is that you have these for the stove, you have for the oven, you have here, we had the toaster here, so it was very useful. Everything is marked here as well, so you see you have for the dishwasher, microwave, extractor fan, so no extra electricity. Have here as well 2 outlets. Dishwasher was pretty good actually, it was working nice. We had some issue with some leaking initially, but yeah, they were supposed to change it actually and they didn't, so we found a trick to make it work. It was this little thing here, the little gum. We always had to push it there, otherwise it was leaking. We announced them, but they didn't really come to fix it. Well, that was a minus. Yeah, storage here as well. The best part that we liked, sounds maybe stupid, we liked a lot this. The way that we could store the compost, the normal litter, the plastic one. Here we were storing the little trash bags. I think it was really nice, even a little shelf there. We liked it, we really did, and the kitchen was nice for us. Now going from the little kitchen, we are going to the service room, I don't know how to call it. We had here the tumble dryer, was working perfectly, same with the washer. I've never heard about this brand before, to be honest, but actually it did not disappoint. A nice boiler, and here it's the venting system. You could use it in automatic, you could use it in speed if you want. Automatic is that if you take a shower, he will instantly know that you take a shower and he starts cleaning the air. If you need it, I don't know, if you cook and it still doesn't go, you can always put it on the tree. You can turn it off. We never had it off. Even in the night we were keeping it on speed 1, so we would avoid the condense, and this was actually a plus. We didn't have mold issues, we didn't have condense issues, and this is the advantage of a new build. Yeah, also the dryer and the washing machine comes with these 2 little outlets. That was the Wi-Fi box. We never touched it, it was not needed. And we used this one to store our shoes. We used it to store our hangers because I think it's very spacious. Like, you could store here so many things. So yeah, we love this room as well, very useful. That was the electrical panel, never needed to touch it. So this would be like a big picture of how it looks, everything. We will take this with us. It was for the chair to protect the parquet. I think it was nice. We really had a blast here. No issues like you would have in the old builds. I forgot to show you the balcony. So yeah, as I said, for us was very good. The location for us was great. This is the main reason. Okay, I'll take care of this later. This was the main reason why we came here, because of the location, but in the end everything turned out to be right.